Hello दोस्तों, welcome to my YouTube channel Be a Programmer में. So today we are going to talk about a very good job opportunity is in an Indian MNC, that is Mphasis. As I am also working in this company only as a software engineer, so we are going to talk about everything like how to apply, what is the process of application, and the best part is that every graduate can apply. If you are from any graduate, like if you have done BCom, BBA, BCA, then also you can apply for any job role. Like for this job role, any graduate can apply. So we will be talking about everything in this video. What is the eligibility criteria in detail, and what is the process, and what is the job role. Like the minimum eligibility is, I have already given an idea to you that any graduate can apply. So we'll be talking about everything in this video. No need to worry about that thing. And the best part is that you are going to work as a customer service. And let's see about the video, and let's see what is the process of application and how to apply, because I will show everything in this video practically. So you will be showing, and if you face any issue, just refer this video, because in this video I am going to see so anything in the and everything in the video, and you don't need to go anywhere on any other video or any other YouTube and hustle there, because I am going to explain everything. So before starting, please hit that like button, go down and subscribe to our channel. Please do that. And I have also made a vlog channel. You can also consider that subscribing it, because I am uploading many videos on that too, like 2 times a week or 1 time a week. I am uploading videos on that too, vlogs on that too. So it will be helpful for me, and it will be very good for you also, because I am explaining many things there also. So this was all over the disclaimer and information. Let's start with the video. So as you can see on my screen, this is the basic site of Mphasis. As you can see, the basic role is customer service officer, that is customer support officer. You will be working as a customer support officer, and this will be your job role. And when you will see the location, that is Bangalore, you will be working in Bangalore. That is a very good city. You will get many opportunities, very much exposure there also. And what is the experience? The experience, if you are a fresher, then also you can apply. If you have a 3 years of experience, then also you can apply. Then talking about the responsibilities, I have zoomed a bit because the font was very small. Then the responsibilities thing, that you have to, the basic customer service job is about talking to the customers, is satisfaction about, and if a customer faces any issue, you have to solve that issue. This is all about it. It is all about the job you will be doing. And the skills, you can read all this, that because I will mention this link in the description, so it will not waste your time, because there is no point of wasting your time, because time is very precious, really precious. So when you will scroll down, and I have uploaded many videos on skills too, like how to improve LinkedIn, how to improve communication skills, how to improve resume. I have uploaded very much videos, and more videos are here to. Don't need to worry about that thing. Just you need to go into description. You will find a career guidance section. In that playlist section, like you will get career guidance, and in that many videos are uploaded already. You can refer that videos, and it will be beneficial for you. So the skills that we are talking about, the skills are that here conversation skills, that is basic communication skills, are very important. English speaking is very important. Active listening, customer service, then adaptability, dependable, reliable, flexible. These all are very important. And two weekly offs you will be given in a week, that is 5 days working it is. Then qualification, if you are from any graduation, you can apply. Then like if you don't have a BE BTech degree, then you can apply. There is no restriction on that. And the experience, they are asking for experience, that is, here it is written experience, but when you will scroll up, that here it is written that 0 to 3 years. So a fresher can also apply. Don't need to worry about that thing. So it is everything is written. You just need to click on this button, that is apply button. The very simple process, click on this button and complete all the process. So this was all about the application process. So in this video we have talked about everything, like how to apply, what is the process of application, what are the things we need to keep in the mind while applying, or what is the job role you will be doing, what are the qualifications that is required. I have explained everything, and I have told also, and I have showed also everything in practically. So don't need to worry about that thing. So this was all about the video. Thank you for watching this video. And one more thing, that if you haven't seen my vlog channel yet, just go down and see my vlog channel, because I am posting many videos there. So it will be very beneficial for you also, and for me also. So it will be very good. And because many interesting videos are also coming, many informative videos are also coming, it will be very good thing for you, because I am also talking about the career thing also there also, and about the fraud thing, about the making money thing there also I will be coming, because that is more casual channel. It is my main channel. That is my another channel. You can customers consider subscribing that too, and you can see those contents also. So this was all about the things. This was all about the information that I have to give. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet you in the next video, some more informative topic with some more videos like this. Don't need to worry, because we are coming up with regular updates. So this was all about the things. You can also follow me on Instagram, because I'm coming live regularly, like 1 time or week or 2 times a week I'm coming live. So this was all about the thing. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet you in the next video, some more informative topics. If you have any issue, just comment down, or you can ping me on my Instagram. I'm coming live there. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.